Hello, this is the developed activity task for speaking achievement. I am Manuel Alexander Sonojara. The teacher is Viviana Carolina Rodriguez, and the course is English for UNAT. Okay, the one point in the my opinion about positive and negative effects of technology on the environment. Number one is better the negative effect after positive effect. The first or number one negative effect in the technology of the environment is the population growth and the technology development to the public work, the meaning, the increase of the energy consumed in the global warming, but to the emission, contamination, and the atmosphere, and the technology industrial to the contamination to the planet. The positive effect and the use alternative energy with the solar, in the energy, aeolic, and others energy alternative. It's very important recycling process to the paper and plastic with the component very contaminant to the planet, and it's very important the prediction of natural disasters, tsunamis, terremotes, etc. How do you see the future of planet? Well, it's very important to the question. But it's possible the pollute planet with the contaminants to the atmosphere, water, records, ecosystems, and animals, plants, etc. The atmosphere pollution with the companies, cars, do the home to the emission for the pollution with contaminant to the planet. But it's possible a change to the consumer, a change to the industry, but it's possible restore it to the planet. How to mitigate the environmental damage? But recycling the PET, plastic, paper, etc. Using clean energy with the energy solar, energy aeolic, but no emission and no contaminant to the environment. It's very important this point, water protection, but the water is life, the water is necessary for the survival in the planet, and in the life in the human, life in the plants, life in the animals. Is very important the water protection, and it's important and responsible consumption to the shopping, to the it's very important in the responsible consumption in the shopping. Thank you very much. Bye bye.